The recent United States election has sparked renewed conversations about emigration, with social media abuzz as people declare intentions to leave. The polarized political climate and perceptions of diminished stability have intensified these sentiments. Moving abroad may seem like a fresh start, but it entails complex realities. Wealthy individuals often have the resources to transition overseas seamlessly. For most, emigrating is a significant financial and practical commitment. This article examines 5 popular destinations for U.S. expatriates. Relocation involves more than political disillusionment. The decision spans financial stability, lifestyle, and personal freedoms. Each country offers unique advantages and conditions. Many remain unaware of their ongoing U.S. tax obligations abroad. Relocation may promise respite, but realities abroad may not align with ideals. We examine the considerations of moving to 5 popular expatriate destinations. Canada, with its cultural similarity, geographic proximity, and strong social services, has long been an attractive option for American expatriates. However, the ease of relocation should not be overstated. Financial implications. Canada's tax rates are generally higher than in the United States, with federal, provincial, and even territorial taxes that collectively absorb a substantial portion of income. Canada's public healthcare system, while universally accessible, is funded through these taxes, which means even moderate-income households may face a tax burden above what they would in most United States states. Additionally, the cost of living in urban centers such as Toronto and Vancouver rivals or exceeds that of major United States cities, placing financial pressure on newcomers, particularly in housing. Reality check. Canada's immigration policies are structured around economic utility and demographic need. For many, gaining permanent residency requires a pre-existing job offer or specific in-demand skills, making entry competitive. While Americans may find comfort in Canada's shared language and cultural traits, adapting to the country's social norms, particularly its deference to collective welfare, may feel unfamiliar. Finally, Canada's climate, with long severe winters in many regions, represents an additional adjustment that is often underestimated. Spain's appeal lies in its rich cultural landscape, Mediterranean climate, and lower cost of living outside major cities. It offers a relaxed pace of life, enticing for those seeking distance from U.S. urban pressures. However, limited employment opportunities and high unemployment rates are significant challenges. Many Americans resort to self-employment or remote work. Spain's taxation on worldwide income can be a shock for expatriates. The healthcare system is highly regarded but comes with trade-offs like extended wait times. Cultural and linguistic adjustments can be significant, especially in rural areas. Mexico has long been a favored destination for Americans due to its proximity, affordability, and well-established expatriate communities. Mexico's cost of living and accessible healthcare provide appealing advantages. Housing costs are significantly lower than in the United States, and day-to-day expenses can be more manageable for those on fixed incomes. Property ownership near coastlines requires specialized legal structures. Safety remains a primary consideration, with security risks varying by location. Mexico's bureaucracy can be challenging, requiring patience and persistence. For those willing to navigate these realities, Mexico offers a rich expatriate experience. Portugal. Portugal's mild climate, strong social safety nets, and well-developed infrastructure have attracted a growing number of Americans in recent years. The country's residency options, including the non-habitual resident tax regime, offer financial incentives for newcomers, making Portugal an increasingly popular choice. Financial implications. Portugal's cost of living remains moderate relative to much of Western Europe, with affordable healthcare and housing options, particularly outside Lisbon and Porto. The non-habitual resident program provides favorable tax treatment for certain expatriates, though recent policy changes indicate that these benefits may not remain as generous indefinitely. As demand rises, especially from American and European expatriates, housing costs in desirable areas are climbing, and inflationary pressures are becoming more pronounced. Reality check. For Americans seeking a European lifestyle, Portugal offers a compelling mix of amenities, but the country's economic landscape presents limited job prospects for non-EU residents. Portugal's residency requirements also necessitate financial solvency and private health insurance, with recent policy adjustments signaling a more restrictive approach toward immigration. Americans moving to Portugal must be prepared for potential shifts in both tax benefits and living costs over time. New Zealand. New Zealand's natural beauty, environmental sustainability focus, and political stability make it a highly desirable destination. However, its remote location and high cost of living underscore the importance of financial planning for those considering relocation. Financial implications. New Zealand is among the most expensive places to live in the Southern Hemisphere, particularly in cities like Auckland and Wellington, where housing costs are high and vacancy rates are low. Imported goods also drive up living expenses due to the country's isolation, and expatriates often find that maintaining a standard of living comparable to the United States requires substantial income or savings. Moreover, while healthcare is publicly funded, certain services and specialized treatments can entail wait times. Reality check. New Zealand's immigration policies are selective, often favoring highly skilled individuals and substantial financial investment. For many, this requirement limits options, especially as the country's small job market and high cost of living present financial challenges. While New Zealand's quality of life may appeal to those seeking distance from US political dynamics, prospective expatriates must navigate a complex and competitive immigration process. The trade-offs of relocating. Understanding what's at stake. For Americans frustrated with political or social dynamics at home, emigration may appear as an opportunity for reinvention. However, it is crucial to recognize that moving abroad does not automatically translate to a simpler or more satisfying life. Various freedoms and protections Americans take for granted may not extend abroad. Financially, US expatriates remain subject to US taxes on worldwide income, often resulting in complex tax obligations that constrain resources. Healthcare, while often more affordable, may involve different standards, wait times, and bureaucratic processes. Conclusion. Emigration as a personal and complex financial decision. Relocating from the United States is a transformative choice, but it requires more than political frustration to execute successfully. For most Americans, the advantages of other countries come with notable sacrifices, and the everyday stability, rights, and financial protections afforded by the United States may be harder to replicate abroad. For those seeking the cultural and political respite a move abroad might offer, the decision to emigrate should be grounded in a comprehensive understanding of both the financial realities and lifestyle adjustments required. Emigration is achievable, but for most Americans it involves balancing ideals with a realistic appraisal of life beyond American borders.